Hey, 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 hey! Welcome back to another episode of Let's Get Dirty with the Dirt Man. I have somebody special who's joining me on this wonderful show, and it's my middle daughter, Haley. Welcome.
Thank you for having me.
So quarantine has brought a lot of families together. It's brought us together. Haley said, why can't we do a video together sometime? And wow, what a great idea. So a lot of you might remember Haley. You've been working with Todd's Dirt on and off for...
Since I was 11 years old. I'm 23 now.
11 years old. She's now an assistant manager at a place as a sales manager and doing a fantastic job. Wonder where she learned how to sell.
Never guessed.
So let's get started. Okay, we've got this beautiful recipe we're going to do today. What's the recipe we're doing?
It's dirty salmon in a Chesapeake DIRT cream sauce.
Ooh, boy, does that sound really wonderful. We love salmon, at least the both of us really love salmon. So she's been telling me how great this recipe is. I'm super excited she came up with this recipe. All right, so we have this beautiful fish here. So which dirt are we going to use?
We're starting with the Chesapeake DIRT. It's perfect for salmon, especially any seafood. If you want something a little milder, the original DIRT is great. It's super savory, amazing. But if you want to go a little on the hotter side, which no surprise, one of us wants it that way, we have the Bayou also.
Awesome, so we're gonna get started. Let's go. All right, so the first thing we did was I took the salmon, I cut it in half, and I made more manageable pieces so it'll present a little bit better. So the first thing we're gonna do is put a little olive oil on top.
Yep, let's go.
All right, so I'm gonna put some olive oil right on top. All right, what's next, Haley?
Some pepper.
Cracked pepper.
Yum. Some salt. We're gonna use Himalayan salt because we're bougie.
Ooh, bougie. And then we're gonna do what? 2 different ones?
Oh yeah.
So Haley's gonna do one with Chesapeake.
Todd loves when it's completely covered, no spots unturned.
And then we're gonna do the Bayou on this one, just because I like it a little bit spicy. There we go. Doesn't that look yummy?
Time to flip.
Now the Himalayan.
Did you say Himalayan?
Himalayan. I got the Bayou down.
Double trouble.
Double trouble. Just look at all the herbs on that. Does that just look yummy, or does that look yummy?
You guys should be jealous.
All right, so now this part is done. We're gonna put the fish right on a non-stick pan. We've already sprayed the pan. And then what are we gonna do now, Haley?
We're gonna place this in the oven at 450 for about 12 to 15 minutes. You want it to be nice and brown, no burnt ends. We don't want anything like that, just nice brown.
All right, we're gonna put this in the oven. Okay, Haley, so what are we doing?
So we're gonna start off by combining in one bowl 1 cup of half and half, or you can do heavy cream. And then we're gonna combine the 2 tablespoons of flour.
2 tablespoons of flour.
Good job, Dad.
Are you doing the whisking?
Yes, sir. Whisk that all together nicely. Beautiful. Next, we're going to combine pepper and the Himalayan salt.
How much salt?
As much as your heart desires.
I like a lot of black pepper.
Me too. Then you're gonna put about 1/3 cup of Parmesan and Romano cheese. So we don't follow recipes, so we use lots of cheese. And combine it all together.
All right, so the next step now is we're gonna saute some things. So what are we gonna do?
So we're gonna start with 2 tablespoons of butter.
2 tablespoons of real butter.
Never have too much butter.
Okay.
And then once that's all melted down, we're gonna put about a tablespoon of minced garlic in there. And you're gonna saute that until it's fragrant.
All right, and next thing is we're gonna do the wine.
You always
Okay.
gotta have
Put
wine
some
in
wine
a
in there.
cream sauce. about a tablespoon or so, depending on how much wine you like. And I think we're missing something.
I wonder what that is.
Oh,
much better.
Yes.
Cheers.
Cheers.
Only way to cook.
Oh yeah.
All right, so we got the wine in here, and now we're gonna incorporate this into here.
And you're just gonna wait till the sauce gets a little thick and the cheese is all melted.
Okay.
Now it's time to add the most important ingredient, the Chesapeake dirt. You can never have too much.
And how much are we putting in here?
I'd say about 2 tablespoons. That's good. How delicious does that look? If you guys could smell this kitchen right now,
Oh, it smells so good.
You also can put a little lemon in there if you like that in your cream sauce too.
Oh, God, I can't wait. The smell in this kitchen is absolutely amazing. The recipe looks great, Haley. You did a fantastic job. This has been so much fun. So let's try this.
Gotta get the cream sauce in it. Gets better every time.
Hold on. Margarine, that's good. Oh, hurt me, I like it. That's so good. I'm having a second piece of this.
So good.
The Chesapeake dirt is, oh my goodness. I could swim in that sauce. It's so darn good.
I wish I made more.
So, I hope you enjoyed this recipe. We certainly enjoyed this recipe. Tell all your friends and family and everybody that you got to share these videos. And check us out on toddsdirt.com where you can print the recipes. This has been so much fun to have my daughter here and join me. And cheers. By the way, this nice little cooking utensil that says Todd's Dirt on there was given to me by Haley for Christmas a couple years ago.
So special, so nice.